Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to customize your iPhone screen. It's very simple tips and tricks. iOS 18 are introducing this feature. What is new, how to deal, we will see detailed demonstration in this video. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So now let's start as a mobile screen. So let's start demonstration. Simply first of all, you need to enter the setting, general and software update, mandatory to update iOS 18 stable version or beta version. Go back, and after that you just simply the long press in your home screen, and if I press here long, previously we are receiving this feature, you can delete the application and change the location of the application, but now Apple are providing you can design your customized home screen. You can move all app here and there, and you can decide which application location in the specific circle area accordingly. So this is one of the best features they are introducing. And here in the widget menu, I really like this one. You can increase the size and decrease the size of this particular widget. You decided which application you are showing here, accordingly you can decide and then change the size, greater than, less than, or entire screen. That one is really interesting. Here top of the screen edit option is showing. If you click here in the edit option, add widget, you can decide which portion or which application you want to use as a widget format. Like here I just simply use here music player. In this icon you can decide which icon you want select. I go with this and just simply add the widget. So boom, look at this, the application is coming here, and you can decide here, and your screen look like change like a 360. So again add to widget, you can remove if you want to remove like this. Click here, edit, add customize, bottom of the screen. Look at this here, light symbol is showing here. You can decide half light, full light, here light, dark, automatic, and T10. Here you can change the color of all each and every application very easily. That one is really interesting features, but I don't like this one. And one of the important points come here. If you want to remove the application name, so you just simply tap here large, and all application name is gone from the bottom of the each and every application. So you can see here if you have spec number spec, so this feature is really interesting, helpful for you. Press long, and then again one of the important point, edit page. So look at this, page number 1, page number 2, and page number 3. If I change the location of page number 1, comes in the third location like this, and if I select this one, so third, second, and first number page is coming here. You can change the page location. Previously if you want change this one, so you can change all application from first to last, and then fix out this widget. So this is some of the important points they are introducing iOS 18 in custom widget. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video, and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.